Bipolar disorder is like a dandelion in the wind. Some days I feel rooted, whole, golden, reaching towards the sun. And then the wind changes. A gust of mania scatters me, racing thoughts, too many ideas, too little sleep. Other times, it's the still, heavy silence of depression, where even standing tall feels impossible. But here's what I've learned. Just because the pieces scatter doesn't mean I'm broken. Each seed holds potential. Each breath, each pause is a chance to begin again. Bipolar doesn't make me weak. It makes me human, messy, beautiful, alive. Just like a dandelion, it's not about controlling the wind. It's about learning how to grow again and again.